With our latest release, we have added a host of new features that will make your work much easier, like interactive HTML reports. Enjoy the full power of our reports on any computer with a standard web browser. Reports to go. We have also made the standard compliant creation of linear sizes much easier and more convenient, drastically shortening the path from measurement plan to analyze scan. And long awaited, but just in time for your next presentation, save images with transparency. No hacks, no workarounds. PNG export right out of the box. Ready? Then join me on a little tour of the feature highlights of our brand new 2024.1. Let's get started. Interactive HTML reports. Our software's interactive reports are a powerful way for you to get a concise view of your part inspection by combining numerical results with vivid 2D and 3D information. Up until now, these compelling reports with interactive elements were only available for review within the application. As soon as you exported a report to share with the world, part of the magic was gone, because all these great interactive elements turned into static 2D images that couldn't be changed. But no more. With our new interactive HTML reports, you can share the magic with everyone, create documents that retain the full interactivity of the 3D elements, and can be viewed with a simple browser. Select the report and export HTML. This way, you create a single file that features the full range of our built-in reports. But to go. To open such an HTML file, all you need is a Chromium-based browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. The look and feel are the same as our built-in report editor. All 3D content remains interactive and can be viewed the way you're used to. And of course, you will find all the data in here too. All the tables you love so much. Statistics, plots, histograms, and indication images. The section list on the left, or the zoom controls on the bottom right. It's all there, packaged into a single powerful HTML file, looking great and ready to share. Meanwhile, creating a report in VGSTUDIO MAX remains the same as ever. Open the menu, select whatever you want, and do the fine-tuning later in the editor. You're a numbers person? Present your results in extensive tables with many columns and parameters. Just don't forget to clean up a bit and remove redundant or empty columns. That helps. You're more of an image person and want to celebrate your artwork? No problem. Pick your best bookmark snapshots and make that report a gallery of your finest art. Or do you simply want a rock-solid report that showcases your inspection as best as possible? Besides the most important numerical results in a compact table and a handful of corresponding indication images, you can go for interactive 3D views for a comprehensive view of the inspection results. With these, you can zoom in and out, or rotate and move the object and really dive into the dataset's most interesting areas. This works with the volume's 3D surface, with nominal actual comparisons, and with porosity inclusion analysis. Here it helps especially on the indication image to localize found indications. And it works with wall thickness analysis. Interactive, in 3D. When done, tidy up, add your logo, and a title image. And there you have your rock-solid report. Let your reports speak for themselves. Interactive HTML reports are a fantastic way to share manually or automatically created reports with colleagues or customers that can be viewed without the need for any additional software, while still maintaining a rich view of the inspected part. Linear sizes. We have made the standard compliant creation of linear sizes in VGSTUDIO MAX much easier and more convenient. 2-point measurements and measurements according to the envelope requirement can be set up intuitively with just a few clicks, so that even newcomers can quickly get a handle on this challenging topic. While you've always been able to calculate features of size according to ISO 14405-1 in our software, the road to get there has sometimes been, well, let's say, rocky. And that is precisely why we have thoroughly revised and greatly simplified the entire process, drastically shortening the path from the measurement plan to the final analyzed component. In addition to dimensions and geometric tolerances, you will now also find linear sizes in the menu. This allows you to easily measure a cylinder, a torus, or, as in this case, 2 parallel opposing planes. Just select the 2 geometry elements and open the dialog for the linear sizes. The rest of the standardized evaluation is done automatically in the background. All you need to do is enter the specified modifiers and tolerances, and you're done. In the scene tree, you can see that the result is slightly more detailed than with a normal diameter. There is a new geometry element for the standardized parallel adjusted planes, and there are 2 sub-entries for the dimension. This allows you to quickly see whether the largest and/or smallest distance of the 2-point dimension is within tolerance. ISO-compliant measurement of linear sizes in VGSTUDIO MAX has never been easier. With the new linear sizes, you have an intuitive and simple way of tolerancing and can get from measurement plan to analyze scan even faster. PNG format for saving images. Some of you have probably been waiting a long time for this feature. We're thrilled to say the wait is over. You can now save images with a transparent background, lossless in PNG format. This means you can easily change the background later. Think of reports or flyers, brochures, roll-ups, and posters, or billboards. You will be happy because your images will fit seamlessly into your designs, and your presentations, decks, will look way better too. Your graphic designer will be happy because they no longer have to spend time replacing your favorite gradient with the corporate color. Your webmaster will be happy because they now have complete flexibility with your images. And your marketing manager will be happy because all your swag will look so professional. In other words, everyone is happy with this new feature. And the rest can keep on saving bitmaps. Welcome, PNG format. These are just the highlights of our new release. You can find many more new features on our homepage. The link is below in the video description. Download the new VGSTUDIO MAX today and start enjoying all the improvements right away. Have fun with the new version and see you next time.